Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, we are going to be doing the Kim Kardashian Met Gala makeup look. I just really love the makeup look so much. I thought that she looked absolutely stunning, like gorgeous. So I wanted to try and recreate the look. Okay, so to start off with, I've just been at work all day. So this is like what I look like after being at work all day. And it is also currently 9:46 p.m. So it is later on in the day. So yeah, I just thought I was quite inspired and just thought I'd try and recreate the makeup look. So let's get started. Just gonna get my hair out the way. And then to start off with, because I am looking quite oily, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty powder. I have mine in the color Banana. And I'm just gonna put that over top of my face just to soak up some of this oil that's on my skin. Okay, as you can see, that's all on, the powder's all on, it's been soaking up all the excess oils on my skin. And now for foundation, I'm just going to take, this is my NARS, this is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Obviously, like with this look with Kim Kardashian, her skin is always flawless. So that's the first thing that you want to do with this makeup look, is create a flawless base. Okay, that's all on and my skin is looking so nice. This is the first time I've tried the technique of putting on powder and then foundation on top of powder, and my skin is looking so nice. It looks so good. Okay, so for the next step, we're going to highlight and conceal. And to do that, I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs. This is the Remarkable Full Cover Foundation. I really like this. It's got a great formula. It really is really pigmented, and it really, like, it's great at highlighting and concealing. Okay, we're all highlighted and concealed, and now to set. So for setting, I think what's best, especially under the eyes, is to use a pressed powder rather than a loose powder. So I'm going to go into my Tarteist contour palette. There's a beautiful yellow powder here. I'm going to use that to set under my eyes. And then for the rest of my face, I'm just going to take this. This is my MAC Studio Fix foundation. I'm going to do my brows. I'm just going to use my Goof Proof brow pencil. Okay, brows are all on. Now moving on to the eyes. So to do the eye look, I'm gonna go and use these two. This is from Napoleon Purtis. These are bronze, these are pigments. So this is from the Gold Digger Glimmer collection. I've got white gold and I've got bronze here. So this is white gold and bronze. And there is a third one as well, which is this one, which is the yellow gold. So this is the collection's a trio of the pigments here, but I'm just going to be using these two, but they're all so beautiful, so gorgeous, really gorgeous colors in there. So to start off with, I'm going to take the bronze one and I'm going to put this all over my eye. And I've just got a tray here and I just put a little bit on the end here, a little bit right there. So that color is absolutely stunning, like it's gorgeous, but it's not really a bronzy, like orangey bronzy color. So I'm gonna go into this palette, which is my BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna take this color right here, which is more of an orangey bronze. So much better. So I'm just going to finish off underneath the eye as well. Okay, that's all on. Now I'm going to take the silver pigment and just do that like lightning strike just in the center there. Okay, the lightning strikes are done, and now to line the eyes. So she's done the waterline and the tight line as well, just on the inner sides. It doesn't look like she has on any eyeliner, so just the waterline and tight line, so the inside part of the eye. And for that I'm going to use my Estee Lauder. This is the Automatic Eye Pencil Duo. Okay, liner's all done. I'm going to do my lashes really quickly. I'm just going to use my Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. And now the liner's all done, I'm just going to add on some lashes. Okay, lashes are on, and now to highlight, I'm just going to take the same pigment that I used on my eyes here and just put that on my nose. And again, the same pigment, and I'm going to put that on my cheekbones. Okay, I'm going to add on a little bit of blush. And now the last but not least, our lips. So she definitely has on a brown lip liner, so you can use whatever lip liner you have. Okay, lips are lined, and now I'm going to put on some color, and this is the Zoeva Pure Velour Lips. And Kim definitely has a gloss on her lips, so of course I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty . And there we have the finished look, everybody. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed watching me recreate this makeup look. I think it came out pretty good, pretty decent. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, bye. As usual, I forgot to use setting spray on camera. I always remember and use it after, but I'm just gonna insert this clip, so I'm gonna use my Mario Badescu.